Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I am getting my curls back. My hair has been silk pressed since, let's see, around the end of December. And it's been silk pressed twice. And for my most recent silk press, I used the DOUX new Press Play Silk bundle line. I actually just posted that review, so I'll have that linked up above so you guys can check that out after this one. But there I basically have the whole Silk Me Out bundle and just tell you my thoughts about each of the products in that bundle. So definitely check that out. But like I said, it is definitely time for my curls to come back. I really miss them, and you know, a little spoiler, you can kind of see them a little bit right there. But so I am super duper happy to have my curls back. But I kind of just want to let you guys know what I did to get my curls back. So the first step I did was just pre-poo my hair outside of the shower, and I used Curlsmith's Bond Curl Rehab Salve. And I actually did a battle of the pre-poos recently, so I'll have that video linked up above so you can see what my thoughts were about this rehab salve as well as Pattern's Bounce Back Pre-Poo. So then I went in with the DOUX No Scrubs. It's from their Wash and Go collection, and it is the exfoliating shampoo, and it says this gently removes buildup to restore moisture. And I kind of wanted to go in with this first, basically to exfoliate my scalp, because like I said, it had been silk pressed and straight for, you know, ever since December. So I just kind of wanted to make sure I got all of the buildup and everything out of my hair. So then I went in with a second shampoo. It is the DOUX Press Rewind Curl Retention Shampoo from their Press Play line. And basically I just did my second wash with this. It says that it's a curl retention shampoo, and so I just wanted to do everything that I could to, you know, encourage my curls to come back. So then I went in with the DOUX Whoa Deep Conditioning Mask, and I just wanted to, of course, deep condition because it had been a while since I deep conditioned my hair. And so basically I just put it on my hair. I did detangle as well. So when I rinsed out the deep conditioning mask, my hair felt like more strengthened than anything. It didn't really have a lot of moisture in it. So I know that on my next wash day, I'm definitely going to have to use a very moisturizing deep conditioner and possibly like leave it in much longer. And I may even try to add heat as well, just so I can get that moisture back into my curls. So next I went in with the star of the show, y'all, and it is the 808 Base Gel. It says that this gel can be used for juicy, shiny curls that crave extra length. Now what I will say though, that when I was applying it in the shower, like I feel like it didn't really give me any extra length to my hair, and like my curls like just really like bounced back, like my curls really just shrunk. So I feel like it didn't really give me any extra length to my curls. Then it also says that this is a medium hold gel that serves as a base layer, locking in long-lasting frizz protection, definition, and bounce. Now I will also say that this base gel has loads of slip to it, and it felt really good as I was applying it to my hair in the shower. Some of the key ingredients in this product is honey, slippery elm, marshmallow root, and aloe. And y'all, with all those ingredients, like, just imagine the amount of slip. So yeah, it felt really nice going onto my hair. So it says to smooth through wet hair with fingers in small sections and allow curls to clump together. And let me just tell you, when I did add this gel to my hair, my curls really did clump. Then it says you can use alone or top it off with a small amount of Mousse Def Texture Foam. So I did not go in with the Mousse Def Texture Foam. I paired it with B-Girl, which is their honey curl custard, because I really wanted to see how that combo would work for a wash and go. So when I applied the B-Girl honey curl custard, I put a little bit of water on my hands after getting some of the honey curl custard, just because I wanted to make sure that my hair was soaking wet when I applied that product to my hair. And I just put it on my hair in big sections instead of the small sections. And so then it says, for bouncier results, dry sections of hair using a diffuser until the hair is 100% dry, and then fluff as desired. Because of the pro tip that they give, it says to apply 808 base gel first when layering other products. That's what made me decide to go in with the B-Girl Honey Curl Custard. And also it says do not apply oil to the hair before applying 808 base gel. So y'all, here we are out of the shower, and as you saw in the shower, I basically just put all my hair up and put it in this clip here, just so I could let my hair set before I went in to diffuse. So let's just go ahead and take this little clip out. So this is what my hair looks like, y'all. And can y'all see, like, my curls? Do y'all see how they bounced back? Like, I am so happy to have them back, y'all. So looking at my hair now, I mean, my hair does look a little elongated, only because I did have it somewhat stretched while it was up in the clip. But I am just going to go ahead and diffuse my hair. I have my diffuser here, and I'm going to put it on low heat and probably medium airflow. So we are just going to go ahead and get to diffusing. Okay, y'all, so my hair is basically like 99% dry. The only like damp spot is like in this area right here. But y'all, this is what my hair is looking like, and it is a lot of bounce to it, but there is like a slight hold as well. I wouldn't say a crunch, but it is a really good hold on my hair. So this is how we are looking right after diffusing. So I'm going to come back tomorrow so you guys can see what the day one results look like. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day, and as you can see, I slept in my bonnet last night, and I put on my satin scrunchies. So we are just going to go ahead and take these little scrunchies out so we can see what my wash and go looks like. Now I will say, as I am separating, I do have a little, a little bit of floaties floating around, but it is definitely not snowing. Alright, so that's what that side is looking like. Let's go ahead and take this down. Okay, y'all, so this is what we are looking like on day one, and y'all, I'm very pleased. My hair looks really, really good, and I can see my hair lasting like at least 4 days with this wash and go, but definitely more. So we are just gonna see how long this wash and go lasts. Okay, y'all, so it is day 3. I did not come back on day 2, which was Monday. However, I did go to the gym and I did get a good workout in, and this is what my hair is looking like. So it is holding up really good, to say that it is day 3. I am excited to see how it continues throughout the week. My hair feels it feels good, feels moisturized. Lots of definition still, and as I was taking my scrunchies out, there are like a little flakes floating around, but nothing too bad or anything like that. But yeah, so this is day 3. Alright, y'all, so it is day 6 of this wash and go, and as you can see, it's in a lovely little low ponytail. As you can see, also there is like frizz around this area. So I would say that this wash and go lasted me a good 4 days before it got too frizzy for my liking. So I will say that this 808 base gel and the B-Girl Curl Custard is a really good wash and go combo. I'm really excited to try this gel with the other stylers that DOUX has, and maybe with some other stylers that are not by the DOUX. So comment down below and just let me know what other styler you would like to see this 808 paired with, whether it be within the DOUX brand or outside of the DOUX brand. I'm really excited to kind of play around with this. So that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.